Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0460 indicates a problem with the fuel level sensor circuit in the Honda CR-V models from 2023 onwards. This specific diagnostic trouble code signifies that the fuel level sensor output voltage is below a specified threshold, suggesting an anomaly that has been detected by the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM. The fuel level sensor, also known as the fuel gauge sending unit, is responsible for supplying the PCM with accurate readings of the fuel level in the tank. Its proper function is critical for providing real-time data to the driver regarding fuel availability. When the sensor output is irregular, the PCM is prompted to store a fault code, notifying the user or technician of a potential issue. Resolving this code is essential for the vehicle's optimal performance and to prevent potential running issues due to incorrect fuel readings. The DTC P0460-16 is closely related to two critical components: the fuel gauge sending unit and the gauge control module. The fuel gauge sending unit is integrated directly into the fuel tank unit, functioning as the sensor that measures the fuel level and sends voltage signals to the gauge control module. This voltage signal is crucial as it allows the PCM to understand the precise amount of fuel available in the tank. This signal falls below a certain voltage threshold. The PCM registers this as an error, activating the DTC. The gauge control module processes this information and conveys the fuel level to the dashboard display. The accurate functioning of both components is vital for ensuring that the driver receives correct information and can make informed decisions regarding fuel usage. Several factors may lead to the activation of DTC P0460-16. The first potential cause is a faulty fuel gauge sending unit. If this sensor fails, it cannot supply the PCM with accurate voltage readings, thus triggering the error code. Another possible cause is a short circuit in the signal wire, specifically the fuel gauge plus wire. If this wire is shorted to ground or exhibits loss of continuity, it can result in erroneous voltage signals being sent to the PCM. Additionally, a defective gauge control module could lead to issues in processing the signals from the fuel gauge sending unit, also resulting in low voltage readings. Each of these conditions must be assessed to correctly identify the malfunctioning component. When dealing with DTC P0460-16, drivers may encounter several noticeable symptoms. One of the primary indicators is an inaccurate fuel gauge reading, which can lead to uncertainty regarding the actual fuel level remaining in the tank. This may also prompt a warning light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential issue with the fuel level sensor circuit. Additionally, there could be vehicle performance issues stemming from an incorrect fuel level reading, as the PCM relies on accurate data to manage fuel delivery effectively. If the PCM thinks the fuel level is lower than it is, it may adjust fuel management strategies inappropriately, potentially causing further operation issues. These symptoms underscore the importance of rectifying the underlying problem promptly. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P0460-16 involves preparing the vehicle for inspection. Start by turning the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. It's crucial to wait for a period of 30 seconds. This time allows the onboard diagnostic system to initiate and gather baseline data from the fuel gauge sending unit and gauge control module. Performing this step is instrumental to ensure that all systems are in proper readiness state for an accurate diagnostic reading. This waiting period is essential since it helps stabilize signal outputs and allows for a reliable assessment of any anomalies in the fuel level sensor circuit. Be sure to follow this initial step carefully, as it sets the groundwork for subsequent inspection actions. The second step in the troubleshooting process focuses on inspecting the fuel gauge sending unit, a critical component affected by DTC P0460-16. Begin this examination by conducting a dedicated test of the fuel gauge sending unit itself. Ensure that you have the appropriate diagnostic tools ready for this task, including a multimeter to measure voltage and resistance. By evaluating the output from this sensor, you can determine whether it operates within specified threshold values or if it exhibits signs of failure. If the readings are inconsistent or indicate low voltage levels, this confirms that the fuel gauge sending unit may indeed be at fault. A thorough inspection is paramount to ascertain whether the component is functioning as intended or requires replacement. The third step in addressing DTC P0460-16 involves checking the external circuit related to the fuel gauge sending unit. This step specifically focuses on the fuel gauge plus wire, which carries the output signal from the fuel gauge sending unit to the gauge control module. Inspect for any signs of short circuits, broken connections, or corrosion that could disrupt the voltage signal. Conduct continuity tests to ensure that the wire is intact and does not have any shorts to ground that would lead to incorrect voltage readings. Should a defect in this circuit be discovered, repairs or replacements need to be made to restore functionality. This phase is crucial, as issues within the external wiring could easily mislead diagnostics if not properly evaluated. The final troubleshooting step involves inspecting the gauge control module after confirming that the other components are functioning correctly. If the fuel gauge sending unit shows normal operation and the external circuit does not exhibit any faults, the gauge control module may be the root cause of the issue. Inspect the module for signs of electrical malfunctions or internal failures that could hinder it from processing the signals received accurately. This inspection might require specialized diagnostics to test the module inside the vehicle, as well as consulting the circuit diagrams for reference to various inputs and outputs. If diagnostics reveal that the gauge control module is indeed defective, it will likely need to be repaired or replaced to ensure that the fuel level readings return to normal operation. After completing the necessary repairs based on the previous diagnostic steps, the next move is to verify that the DTC P0460-16 has been resolved. The first task is to clear the diagnostic trouble codes from the powertrain control module, PCM, using a scan tool or diagnostic equipment. Following this, perform a test drive of the vehicle to allow the PCM to gather new data from the fuel level sensor circuits. During the test drive, keep an eye on the dashboard for the reappearance of warning lights or incorrect gauge readings. If everything operates normally without the code returning, this likely confirms a successful repair. Proper verification is essential in guaranteeing that the core issue has been addressed thoroughly and that the vehicle is functioning as it should. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0460-16, consider implementing regular preventive maintenance practices focusing on the fuel gauge sending unit and related circuits. Routine inspections of the fuel level sensor can help in identifying any early signs of wear or malfunction. Additionally, regularly checking the wiring for any damage, such as fraying or corrosion, can mitigate risks that may lead to circuit failure. Maintaining these components is critical to ensuring continuous reliability of the fuel gauge system. Preventive measures significantly reduce the chances of unexpected vehicle performance issues due to erroneous fuel readings, allowing for a safer driving experience. Investing time in preventive maintenance today can save considerable time and resources in repairs later. In conclusion, DTC P0460-16 is indicative of a malfunction within the fuel level sensor circuit in the Honda CR-V models from 2023 and onward. Accurately diagnosing the root cause of this error is vital for vehicle safety and performance. The troubleshooting steps outlined, from inspecting the fuel gauge sending unit to evaluating the gauge control module, offer a systematic approach to identify and resolve the issue. Furthermore, implementing preventive maintenance practices can enhance the reliability of the fuel sensor system and extend its lifespan. Understanding the significance of these processes enables vehicle owners to maintain optimal performance and avoid potential disruptions. Addressing DTC P0460-16 promptly provides reassurance and promotes a seamless driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.